हो छल्ला मेरा जी ढोला, हो छल्ला मेरा जी ढोला, मेरे सामने खलो माया। मैं अगे चन्ना लुटे पिया, मेरे सामने ना रो माया। विच परदेसां बह गयो जाके, क्यों लाइया इश्क नूं लीकां। वे चन्न माहिया जा, वे सानू तेरियां उड़ीकां। बैठ के बने रे जदों कां कुरलाउंदा है, जानो जानियो मेरे दिल नूं रवाउंदा है। मैनू चैन ना आवे, जिंद वड वड खावे, मैनू चैन ना आवे, जिंद वड वड खावे। बोल मारे मैनू मेरे शरीकां, वे चन्न माहिया जा, वे सानू तेरियां उड़ीकां। Hi, this is Annie and these are my Balle Bolly shots. Hello everybody, my name is Annie. I am from Chandigarh. I've been brought up in Chandigarh. I did my schooling from Vivek High and then I went to a boarding school in Punjab. My undergraduation is from Chandigarh as well, from MCM. I studied psychology and then I went to Switzerland to pursue my post-graduation in hospitality, and then I went to Florida for my internship. And I am an artist. My art is singing and that's what I do. Skills per se, I'm an avid learner. I learn as I go. I've traveled a lot throughout the world and I pick up something from everywhere I study or I'm living or I'm working. Mainly singing the related skills, I think कि एक तां आवाज़, which is the most important, बहुत ज़रूरी है। ते जो तुसी गा रहे हो ओदी knowledge होनी is very important. You should be knowing what exactly you're singing, what lines, because basically जो ਆਪਾਂ गाने गाने हैं, those are emotions that are put into words. ते समझना उस चीज़ ਨੂੰ बहुत ज़रूरी है। ते that's a skill I think that will take me a long way. जिद्दां मैं पहला mention कीता that I have been around the world studying, finishing my studies. ते music has been a passion for me since I was a kid. My cousin sister, my Pua ji's daughter, she did her masters in vocal music from Amritsar. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਪਿਆ ਗਾਣ ਦਾ। ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ 'ਚ ਵੀ my father sings, my brother is into music as well. So that's what triggered me to go into music, and now that I've come back to the country, I thought why not pursue my passion, ਜੇ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਕੋਈ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। I wouldn't put myself in a category per se, but I would say I'm the type of singer that I want people to put my songs on repeat, या जो लोग मेरे नाल relate कर पान, है ना। So I would say I'm more inclined towards folk songs and pop music, but in the end, yes, something that can connect me to people who are listening. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, I did study hospitality. I went overseas. I went to Switzerland. I studied event management. That's what I was doing before I started pursuing music. Yes, मैं as per se formal classical singing दी नहीं coaching लिती हुई, but मेरे गुरु सीगे Mr. Vinod sir जी. He used to come home teach me when I was in school. He was very encouraging. He took me to a couple of shows also. I performed with him. Then I left the country. I kind of lost touch with it, but he has always been very supportive. I don't think I've faced any challenges, but because I don't believe in gender inequality, I feel ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਹੋ. Plus I've been brought up in a family that does not distinguish between a boy and a girl. I have 2 elder brothers and I have been brought up like a boy myself, so ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਚੈਲੰਜ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਏਗਾ just because I'm a girl. I would say piano, because something about that instrument, it connects you, it's soulful, you know. The melody is so nice, and it's one instrument je piano vaj raha hoega when you're singing. I don't think you need music. You can just, it can be your vocals and piano playing in the background, and that's about it. So that has to be my favorite instrument. ਰਿਆਜ਼ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਓਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ ਆਈ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਆਈ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਦ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ, ਅਤੇ ਹਫਤੇ 'ਚ 4-5 days in the morning or whenever I get time in the evening ਮੈਂ ਰਿਆਜ਼ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ. If I was not a musician, I would be an event planner, because I have a big creative side to myself, ਅਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਹੈ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਪਲਾਨ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ. If I was not into music, I would definitely be an event planner. My dream collaboration would be to sing with Amrinder Gill or Jasmine Sandles, because they are 2 of my favorite singers, so that would be it. From the olden golden era, I would say Surinder Kaur ji. She was the Nightingale of Punjab. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਨੇ, ਫੋਕ ਸੌਂਗਸ. ਅਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਮਰਿੰਦਰ ਗਿੱਲ is one of my favorites. Jasmine Sandles, not just, and these singers I'm not just saying because of the kind of songs they sing, because of their personalities, how they carry themselves off, how they represent themselves, the kind of values they carry. ਗਾਣੇ ਵੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ whatever sails whoever's boat, but ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਗਾਣੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਹੋਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਕਮਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਬਟ I believe in singing something that has meaning to it. So those would be my favorite singers. ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਇੰਸਟਾਗ੍ਰਾਮ 'ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ I've been singing lot of covers. I am looking to hop onto the right opportunity. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਪਰੋਚ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ I'm just trying to make slow moves because I don't want to make a mess anywhere. ਅਤੇ I'll grab the right opportunity ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ, ਅਤੇ soon, let's say in a few months, you will be hearing a debut song from me. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਡੈਬਿਊ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ 'ਚ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਸੋਲਫੁਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ, ਮੀਨਿੰਗਫੁਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਅਤੇ my song will definitely be, it'll have a romantic touch to it, but something meaningful. I will definitely come up with something meaningful, something that everybody can relate to. देखो, sensitivity एक चीज़ होंदी है, empathetic होना एक चीज़ होंदी है. I definitely feel the pain of somebody who's going through something. ਤੇ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਹੀ ਰਿਸਪੋਂਸਿਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ if you're putting out your music, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਲੈਸਨ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਯੂ ਨੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. ਅਤੇ I think being empathetic is a good thing. I can reach out to people through my music, through my songs, and I would definitely try to send out a good message to everybody. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਟੂ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੀ ਮੈਗਜ਼ੀਨਸ YouTube channel.